How to fix security delay in progress on your iPhone 14. If you're seeing a security delay in progress message on your iPhone, this usually means stolen device protection is requiring an additional security check. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap Face ID and Passcode and enter your iPhone passcode. Scroll down and tap Stolen Device Protection. Here, you'll see whether Stolen Device Protection is turned on. If you're trying to change a protected security setting while you're away from a familiar location, your iPhone may require a 1-hour security delay. Start the security change and wait for the delay to finish. After the delay, authenticate again with Face ID and complete the change. If you're at a familiar location, such as your home or work, the delay may not be required depending on your stolen device protection settings. You can also check the Require Security Delay option and choose whether the delay should be required away from familiar locations or always. Keep in mind that the security delay is a protection feature, not an error. It helps prevent someone who knows your iPhone passcode from making important security changes if your device is stolen. And that's it. This is what security delay in progress means and how to complete the security delay on your iPhone 14. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.